Your filtration expert, so Jiffy, will support you in the maintenance of the filter elements. To carry out a quality professional service, we recommend you have the appropriate tools for the job. Find the fuel filter. Unplug the hoses and identify the fuel filter's connections. Protect the ground from possible spraying. Remove the filter element from its emplacement. Disconnect the sensor to empty the filter. Remove the filter's lid. Change the seal by first dipping it into fuel. Install and interlock the lid. Be careful to turn the sensor a quarter turn to the right. Once the filter is in place, screw on the holder. Finally, reconnect the hoses and the plugs into the module. Last step, prime the fuel system using the manual pump. Start the engine to check the installation. Don't forget to put the old filter in its dedicated disposal container. Trust your filtration expert.